Hello friends, welcome to the channel Aquant Skills. Today I will let you know about how to write a good email. Whenever we are doing a job in a particular company, then definitely we have to send emails to our fellow colleagues and our boss, and even we are to sell that email to outside the company as well. So how to write a professional email? So today I am going to tell you that. Please subscribe my channel and please watch this video till end. So first of all, let's discuss about the structure of the email. Initially you have to write the email address to the person whom you are sending the email and who is going to become your recipient. Thereafter, you have to write the subject line. My dear friends, this subject line is very much important. And in the subsequent, part of this email, I will going to tell uh, each and every part of this, writing an email. So whenever you are writing the email, so you have to start the body of this email. So initially you have to write the salutation like dear sir, dear ma'am, or dear Mr. Kumar, dear Mr. Sharma. Okay. So you have to initially write the salutation, and thereafter you have to write the greetings. Okay, like good morning, good afternoon, and good night. So but for a safer side, you should write good day. Okay. So thereafter you have to build the body of your email, and in the body there should be introduction regarding the matter you are writing the email for, and then you have to build logically that particular email. I'm just going to tell you these things in the next slide, and thereafter you have to close the email by writing regards and mark your signature. Okay, so let's discuss all these areas in a detail. So very first and important part is subject line. My dear friends, whenever the people are receiving email, their inbox is flooded with lots of kinds of email. So how your email can get attention? Your email can get attention if you can write a good subject line. So your subject should be short and crisp. Okay, means it should be around 7 to 10 words, and each and every word is very heavy, and every word should have the ability to describe the content of the email. So it should be short, it should not be too lengthy, and it should also solve the purpose. Okay, why you are sending the email, that should be typically highlighted in the subject line. Okay, so if you're sending an email to the person who does not know you properly, then in the subject line you can give a hint that I met you in so and so kind of meeting on that particular date, so that the person can get hint, and he can easily open your email. So I'm going further now. Now comes the body of the email. So initially you have to introduce about the matter. Thereafter you have to build that the body of the email in a very logical way, and after explaining each and every fact, you have to you know you have to write some lines, so that what kind of action you want to be taken on your email, that should be written over there. I'm just citing you an example. Take this example. This is a sample email like dear sir, ma'am, this is the salutation, good day, this is the greeting. Now this is the body of the email, in which I have followed the rule of introduction, middle, and closing. Like, this is to bring in your kind notice that a meeting is scheduled on 28th Feb 2020 in conference hall at 10:30 a.m. The meeting is in regard with annual appraisal. So the matter has been explained and introduced in these two lines, and thereafter all the reporting officers have already been directed to come up with field performance files of their concerned subordinates. So here some new facts were also introduced to build the credibility in that particular email, and thereafter that's why you all are requested to be there as per stipulated schedule. So in the end, in this particular line, the closing, the pre-closing of this email was done, and after that what kind of action the sender is expecting from the recipient is expected your presence over there. So whenever you are writing an email, this line of action should be there. Okay, so that the recipient can understand what you are expecting from him or her, right? And thereafter the closing, thanks and regards, HR department. So if I'm going further, I'm just citing you some example regarding actions line. Okay, what kind of line you can write, like as far as the closing of email is concerned. So hoping for your positive response in this regard means you are expecting a positive response. Okay, I will look forward to hearing from you soon. Okay, whenever you are sending your resume or curriculum vitae to any employer, so what kind of expectation you are having with from your prospective employer, so that will be that you want to get a call from him or her. Okay, so here you can write, I will look forward to hearing from you soon. Okay, thereafter, like if you're explaining your grief or any problem, then you can expect that hope you understand. So this kind of lines in the end or in the closing of email you can write. Thereafter, expected your esteemed presence over there, that if you invited someone to be on a particular meeting, so in the end of the email you can write expected your esteemed presence over there. So these lines are the pre-closing of an email. So then if you want to close the email, then you can write like regards, warm regards, thanks and regards, with regards. So I think thanks and regards are the most appropriate one. Okay, so thereafter, this is the most important part. What happens many times, we send the email but we forget to tell that particular person in email that there is something attached to this email. So my dear friends, you should also write that there is a document attached with this email, kindly find this. Okay, so you can write the lines like, please find my resume attached here accordingly. Okay, and kindly find the attached schedule of meeting. Okay, this is, you can say that I have just told you something about how to write a professional email, but if you follow these guidelines as well, rule of thumb as well, then definitely you're going to enhance as far as writing of email is concerned. One is, okay, whenever you are writing an email, just write that email and just put that email into draft and forget for for a little time. Thereafter, you have to open that email so that you can review your email critically. Definitely you're going to amend this the first draft of your email, so you have to review your email after some time. Okay, and suppose you're sending your email to many persons, like 100 people. So and now you have wrote your email as well. So what you have to do, you have to just send your email just to 5 to 10 people, and after sending them, just review your email what you have sent. I'm sure that you will get some things in your mail which could have been improved. Okay, so you can improve that email again and send to rest of 90 people. Okay, thereafter you have to write, you have to be specific in while writing an email, like name, place, time and object. Suppose you have called upon a meeting, so and you are sending an email as an invite, so you can write the name of the person who is going to chair that meeting, and the place where the meeting is going to be conducted, time and objects. Okay, so be specific while writing your email. And of course, if you want your email to become more credible, then you have to give some evidences. Okay, give some facts over there. Okay, so because the people only believe your email on the basis of the facts and the things. So my dear friends, it is a request to you, please subscribe my channel and please watch the videos which are on my channel. So I'm very thankful that you watched this video. Thank you so much for watching.